Köszönöm a meghívást.
Fogadjon ilyet az asztalnál. Kicsit magas az asztal, de hát nincs sok pénze az államnak.
De kényelmetlen ez a szín.
Hát igen, sajnos az adófizetők ugye. Hogy utazott, felség?
Jól, köszönöm, öcsém uram, nagyon jó utam volt, 6 lovat is befogadtam.
Az egészsége hogy van mostanában?
Jobb, mint másfél évvel ezelőtt.
Hallottam én arról.
Aztán mikor kezdünk el enni?
Hát már szólok a szakácsnak. Szakács, az erőleves!
A szakácsnő csupa sóhaj, kukka-fukkar volt a sóval, 2 nagy pofont oda sózott, a levesben mégse sózott. Ujjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjj
De milyen finom! Nem leveses! Finom! Én vasaim források! Ez az alapja, hogy a víz ujját megjövál a leveséget!
Ez az étel nagyon sótlan, nem tűrhettem többé szótlan. Ne kínozzon, kedves sógor, adjon már a konyhasóból.
A bátyám uram, milyen? Levességet jobb rá, milyen jól esik? Ez is sótlan! Hát igen, sós! A fogács az a fogás! Egy darab nem! Egészségre váljék!
Főfély uram, sószóló, hol van már egy sószóró?
Hát én írtam meg! Azt mondtam, hogy én szeretem a sótlan ételeket! Mondjuk én nem állhattam sót! Hát mitől? Hát a lányától, a feleséget! Drágám! Nekem ő már az első! Valóban megéres.
Királyom és leányom, öregedjen állva, leülök a sós
Na most már vegyünk rendeséget, jó?
Ezt jól csináltatok. Jól csináltatok.
Arra perdül, mint az orsó, vele táncol ő és tesó, ez aztán a valóság szó. Ujjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjj Kedvesemnek édes szava, ez az élet borsa sava. Nem választ el csak az ásó, arra kapa és koporsó. Ujjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjjj